Hi friends, let's study about the structure of life history of obelia. In this one, obelia, this is the body. Here, this is called as an hydrorhiza. This is hollow root-like structure, and this is about the 2.5 centimeter to 3 centimeter larger ones. This here, this is polyp, this is blastostyle, and this is hydranth structure. These are the small birds. These are present in this, all is present in the marine water. This is a marine water formation. Here, this hydranth is a cap-like structure present on the surface of its body. This is called as a feeding polyp. We call it as a feeding polyp, which is helpful in the catching of the prey and also small insects and other organisms also. And another thing is, this is blastostyle. This is called completely, if you see this structure, you will get to see, and we can say that this is called as a reproductive polyp, and this is containing the reproductive cells. It produces, if you see here, we can clearly see this one, it is producing something, and it will means it says that this is a reproductive polyp. Here their body surface is there, and these are made up of ectoderm, endoderm, and also mesoglia. That mesoglia, whatever these all are together, we can call it as a choanocerc. We call it as a choanocerc. Whatever the cavity present in them is called as an enteron. And then later what happens is the outer thick layer, the body, and it is covered by a yellow thick covering of this one. It is surrounded by a yellow thick covering. That yellow thick covering is called as what is, that is pericarp. What is pericarp? It is a yellow tough covering that is secreted by the ectoderm for the covering of it. And here, this is an Italian wine shaped glass like structure. It is, this is called an hydrotheca. This is a basal ring like structures, these are present. This is called as a shelf there. And if you observe here carefully, and we will get to see certain things like if you observe here carefully, and we'll get to see this is the covering, right? This covering over the blastocoel is called as the gonotheca, right? The whatever the covering on the surface of blastostyle is called as an pericarp covering on the blastostyle is called the gonotheca, and the whatever blastostyle, this together we call it as an gonangium. Together we call it as a gonangium. And here this is called as an nutritive polyp. It is, this is a Italian wine shaped, this is hydrotheca, and the peristome, this is consisting of these finger-like projections. These finger-like projections are called as an these finger-like projections are called as an tentacles, and these are provided with pneumatocytes here. And if you come here, we have to go with the reproductive structures also. Here we have to observe these all the stages it should take place when this blastostyle is there, right? It produces, when they gives rise to the gamete cells. In this one, what happens is, when they give the gametes, at that time parent will get died. These, when the cells are given, male cell and female cell like that, these parents get died, and these cells together formed a zygote. Zygote together formed a blastula stage. Blastula is consisting an outer blastomere, inner blastocele is the cavity of it, and blastomere completely fills about whatever the cells has to be filled in this one. Those are filled up by the blastomeres, and this gives into gastrula. Gastrula here, the outer covering is filled with number of cilia. These are provided with number of cilia, and to form an larva called as an planula larva. And next, that planula larva further goes and attaches to the substratum and forms a basal structure to attach to the substratum, and it is present. This is a planula planula settling is seen here, and here in this one, this develops, and when it attaches to that place, it develops, start developing like this, and like same like the polyp itself. This is called as an ang polyp. This is called as an ang polyp, and that further develops and forms hydrola budding. Here this attains a small younger stem like structure. This further develops from this stage to this stage, and the cycle continues like this. And this is about the obelia.